How to do Remitly transaction or sign up for Remitly. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can basically sign up for Remitly and then create a Remitly transaction. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to do a Remitly transaction and then sign up for Remitly, all you have to do is, first of all, just go ahead and then launch the Remitly app here. Once you launch the Remitly app, if you don't yet have an account, you want to make sure to tap the create a new profile button here. It will ask you from which country you're sending to which country, so you can select those over here. Then just tap the next option. Then once you tap the next option, you're going to see your email addresses and a password box. So you just have to make sure to enter an email and a password that you like to use on Remitly. So go ahead and then do that. Now if you already have a profile, then just tap the sign in button. Make sure to simply choose your email or password over here, and then it will successfully sign you into your account over here. Once you sign into your account, you'll be able to send and receive money on Remitly. And that's it for this video on how you can actually do a Remitly transaction. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.